Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your cabin lights in your Tesla vehicle. Then also you have these rear lights here. Now these are very easy to turn on one by one. All you have to do is go up to them, put your finger over them, and they will turn on just like that. So I don't know if they're like a sensor, but it's very sensitive. You just have to tap it and it'll turn on or off. Otherwise, you can go to the controls options right here and open this up. Now, I don't see an option for lights. This option right here is for the headlights. So I don't see anything on here. All you have to do is go on down to lights, tap this, and you get your headlights right here. Here are your dome lights. You can just turn it on right here. Include the footwells too. You can see it's lit up down here. Now we have these two lights on, and then there's two in the back I can see lit up as well. So those are on. And let's see if we can just turn them off by tapping them. We can do that too. So we can just set it to automatic. If it's dark out when you get in the vehicle, they should turn on. But if you ever want to turn them on manually, you can just do it right here under lights. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.